this is a clicker toy. It's used to train cats to learn new behaviors or new tricks. So the idea is that you connect the sound of the clicking with giving them a treat. And I think it can be a pretty powerful tool to help you teach things to your cat much faster. However, these things are like really easy to lose. So that's why I decided that I thought I'd reinvent the wheel again. So I'm gonna make an app that basically does exactly this. So building an app can essentially be boiled down to 3 major steps: defining the requirements, designing it, and coding it. To start off, I wrote down these notes for my requirements. And for the MVP, that's just a big button with a click sound when you click it. Just want to quickly mention before we go into this that I'm not a designer, so this is just basically going to be like a rough sketch of my idea, and then I'll just try to code it out. Then I'll give it a cool name, Cat Trainer Plus. Yeah, probably gonna name it something else, but this is the working title. So what you can actually do now is you can create this visual prototype of it. Yeah, so if we click this button now, it should turn to 111. Yeah, okay, so that's working, and I think this is fine as a basic sketch, since the app is not going to be that complex really. So now let's get into coding. So when it comes to the coding part, there's like a bunch of different tools you can use to actually code the app. I'm going to use React Native. I think it's pretty simple to get something easy like this started quickly. So So now the app looks like this, and you can press the button here to increase the counter. So now it's time to actually record the clicking. Okay, that's a good one. Oh, it actually worked. Okay, so there's 2 more things I would like to do for the MVP. I want you to be able to change the name here, and also I want to store the counter here locally on the phone, so that if you exit the app, it should still remember the counter. So let's get that done, and then we're going to be done with the MVP. Alright, so I made some updates here now. First of all, I changed the styling of the text a bit, and then I added so that you can click on the name to change it. I also edited the sound a bit so that it's a bit more punchy, and removed some of the background noise so that it will sound cleaner. So now it actually is pretty seamless. So while I was testing the app, I had this idea that maybe I should submit it to the App Store. Okay, so I just received this mail from Apple saying my app is in review, so fingers crossed. I'm about 99.9% sure that they're gonna have comments, or that they're not gonna just approve it at least. So yeah, we'll see what happens. So I just received a message from Apple and they decided to publish the app. So it's going to go live. And yeah, it feels really weird because Apple is sort of notorious for rejecting apps or updates to apps for all kinds of different reasons. So I was really surprised that it got accepted on the first try. Of course the app isn't very complex, so maybe that's part of it, but I was completely sure that they would have something to complain about. So yeah, I'm really happy that it actually worked on the first try.